Open your eyes to St. Lucia and open your soul to peace, love, joy, unsurpassed natural beauty. All the things our hearts most long for converge here in the southeastern Caribbean Sea. Call it glorious, call it sublime, call it rapturous, call it yours. This is one of the lushest Caribbean islands, spellbinding, romantic, like no other. The majestic twin pitons, dense rainforests, dreamy coves, ribbons of sandy beach, idyllic waterfalls. Open your eyes, open your heart and soul to the wonders of St. Lucia. Yachting enthusiasts consider St. Lucia, with her international airlift and major marinas, the premier yachting gateway to the southern Caribbean. The IGY Rodney Bay Marina, located in the hub of activity in the north, provides a dry dock, boatyard, and wide range of amenities. It's capable of handling mega yachts up to 280 feet. Marigot Bay Marina, also capable of mega yachts up to 280 feet, is in an astonishingly serene and beautiful double bay. A 5-star resort, several restaurants, and easy access to Soufrière make Marigot Bay a must-visit location. The highlight of the year for yachtsmen in St. Lucia is the Atlantic Rally for Cruisers, ARC Yacht Race. The race begins in the Canary Islands off the west coast of Africa. It's one of the longest trans-ocean events in the world, 2,700 nautical miles. Destination, St. Lucia. 200 boats arrive in December to the delight of sailors and landlubbers alike. Unsurpassed natural beauty. A warm welcome from the moment you arrive. Adventure and romance at every turn. A spectacular variety of accommodations. Cuisine you will savor and remember. Call it glorious. Call it sublime. Call it rapturous. Call it yours. Come and discover the wonders of St. Lucia.